There's some houses you buy because they make sense. And then there's some houses you buy because they make you feel something special. Welcome to our new home. Tucked into the forest and built in the 60s, it's a little worn around the edges and a little forgotten in some places, but it's full of possibilities. The first time we walked through it, I could see what it was, not what it looked like, but what it could become. And the biggest creative project I've ever taken on. Let's start at the front door. This foyer is one of those spaces that just needs some imagination. The wallpaper will come down, the mirrored closets will become wood, and eventually, I'd love for the floors to feel like something you'd stumble across in an old European home. Down here, there's some unwanted residents. And by that, I mean mold and mice. We're working on it, but for now, let's head upstairs. This staircase is one of the first things you see when you enter the home and the main living space. I wanted to feel like an architectural moment. Deep burgundy walls, warm wood, black iron details, a little bit dramatic in the best way. This kitchen is filled with so much light. We're planning to live with this space before making any major changes. Maybe new countertops, a few thoughtful ideas, but first I want to understand how the room wants to be used. While the kitchen feels bright and airy, I'd love for this room to feel a little moodier. A room for rainy afternoons, books, coffee, and long conversations. This little pad room might be one of the easiest decisions in the house. It already has these adorable blue tiles, so we're gonna lean into that. The previous owners left behind this beautiful table, so we're gonna keep it. The carpet, however, it has to go. The entire house is covered in it. This is the room that made me stop and stare. The ceilings, the scale, the light, the way the forest just becomes part of the room. I can't get over it. This will be my husband's office. We're thinking very masculine and dark in here. And this will be my office, a place to sketch ideas and edit these videos. I want this room to feel like an English garden room, filled with lots of plants, soft light, tea, books, and views to the forest and the distant ocean. The primary bedroom has a lot of charm, but eventually I'd love for custom built-ins framing the bed. So this bathroom has 2 showers, but we're only going to keep one. This is the jacuzzi room, which is very 1980s. We're gonna make it into a gym. These rooms will stay fairly simple for now. They just need a fresh coat of paint. The house needs work, a lot of work. But underneath all the carpet and the wallpaper, there's something truly so special here. I can't wait to bring this home to life, room by room, piece by piece. I'm so glad you're here. Let's get started.